Alright, JT, so we're about to leave for the cabin. What have we got in this beast?
Got an excessive amount of food, probably, for the 4 of us. Good, healthy helping of condoms, of course. You want to be safe when we reach with each other. And a big old vacuum back there. You see that? We're gonna go clean up the forest.
This is Emily, who will not be going.
I'm not going on the trip.
She was not invited.
I was not invited, nor am... It's not that I don't want to, but it's a trip drowning in testosterone. I'm gonna be okay.
JT?
She's not wrong.
Well, not from you, but... So Sajan, where are we?
We're at Hulu's now, Hulu's headquarters in Excalibur. So, just gonna get some burgers.
Was any of that true?
A little bit.
There's no one right here, is there? Oh, it's JT! Mr. Patel, do you think this is the year you sell this property?
Indeed, it's been on the market for quite some time, but, you know, times are tough. 2009, pretty recent, so.
Doesn't make sense. Dennis, do you care to explain your...
What do I get with
do you
my
care to
girl?
explain your shirt?
Nothing but head.
Quality?
Yeah.
I mean, what is there to say?
What does it mean for you?
It means that I mean, do I have to
Quadra.
spell it out for you?
Spell it out for me.
Freaky down.
Talk to me like I would be an 8-year-old.
Okay. Basically, I like to stick my dick inside of koalas.
That's gotta get cut out. That can't go in.
That's gotta go in.
That's what she said.
It's for sure going in.
This here is an M22 caliber assault rifle.
Wow.
And
it's smaller than I thought it
This
would
is what's
be.
plaguing America. These need to be taken off the streets. In the wrong hands, they can be extremely dangerous.
This weapon murders children in schools.
What about koalas?
That's
Koala.
But
No koala is safe.
think about the children and the koalas. Ban AR-15s. That is the problem with America.
This has been a PSA.
Take the magazine inside.
So wait. First shot's me just putting this down.
Why do you have to hit me?
Were you still?
Believe?
That was the last one. That backfires.
Like immediate. So there's nothing, you know, I'm imbalancing your bed?
Did you put a baby in my
I
bed?
didn't do
It's
it.
like you don't even care at this point.
Yeah, like, it's still comfortable. I'm just not change.
Let's make some music, make some money, find some models for wives. I'll get some parachutes, some heroin, fucking stars.
Take my hand, brother. Oh, no point now.
Awkward.
JT, give us an update.
We've had nothing productive happen in all of our time here.
Not a single thing.
Nope. So we've discovered a weed farm out in the middle of nowhere. I believe this to be next generation weed.
See, it doesn't look like weed. It doesn't smell like weed. I don't know what weed tastes like, but I imagine it doesn't taste like weed. It's very soft. You could make this a blanket. I wouldn't advise doing this. It might make you itchy. T and I have discovered something and we're going to go take a look.
A new destination.
And new destiny. Dennis, what are we gonna try to do?
We're gonna move this log.
That's a bold plan, Cotton.
We always try to move a rock that is too big. It's tradition.
We've never once done it though. Alright JT, tell us about the movie Up. How do you feel about that movie?
Movie Up is a quality movie, at least for the first 25 minutes when they hit you in the feels and tug on the heartstrings, but the rest of it's kind of meh. Russell's pretty great, I will say.
How do you feel about the dog?
No, wait, I want to put it on.
You know what, the dog has a couple of good squirrel jokes, but it's kind of a red herring for the whole story.
And the giant bird?
It's on Shutter Priority?
There was a giant bird, that's right. The giant bird was pretty dumb. Pretty close to extinction for a good reason.
So out of 6 old sneakers, how do you grade this movie?
Okay. Ready?
Well, are you judging 6 old sneakers as bad?
No, that's good.
Okay.
Out of 6 old sneakers,
enough.
how many old sneakers do you give it?
I'd give it a solid 4 old sneakers.
There it is, folks. JT gives the movie Up 4 old sneakers
Dennis, where'd you
out of 6 old sneakers.
Alright, so this week on Patel Homes, we're selling the same property we've been selling for the last 3 years. Still on the market, still in great shape. We're here with Jacob of Briscoe. He's a California native. He's looking to buy a property out here amongst the trees. Now, tell me, Jacob, is it important to you that a property have water, electricity, any of those comforts?
Yeah, I think so. I don't think they're as important as like completely blacked out windows, but they're definitely a priority.
Okay, well, this may not be the property for you, as we've recently lost both of those. Some man with an arrow was running around yesterday and shot a hole in the water line.
Talking away, oh, I don't know what I'm to say, I'll say it anyway. Today is another day to find you shying away. I'll be coming for your love, okay, and take on me. Take me on. day or two. So needless to say, I'm odds and ends, but that's me, I'm stumbling away, slowly learning that life is okay. And say after me, it's no better to be safe than sorry. And take on me, take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. And all things that you say, is it life or just to play my worries away? You're all the things I've got to remember. You're shying away. I'll be coming for you anyway. Take on me, take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. I'll be gone in a day or two. In a day or two.